Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, this is a project share of the Christmas altered book that we all are doing, or most of us, a lot of us, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. This is the one for the swap. I made another one and I will do a project share on that, but this is the one for the swap, and it's so pretty and chunky. So there is this big chunky charm that is black, white, and red for the fabric on the book. It can be removed, and I'm going to remove it for the sake of the video. There is this beautiful trim, and I got this idea from Anna, the Tiny Crafter. She's amazing. It says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas," and then the front of it's decorated. Look how pretty this ribbon is, right? So that is our closure, and at the end I have these adorable little bells on both sides of the end. And then when you open it up, I put in journaling cards in some of the slots, and then I put ribbon on them, so it kind of are tabs. And then once the person gets this, if they remove all the tags and these, the book will not be nearly as chunky, but you know, y'all know how that goes. So in this first pocket, there's a double pocket, and there's a bunch of fabric tags throughout the book. And then I just put a little December journaling card in here with a calendar. And then the person can write on here and put "this book belongs to," and down here. So when you first open it up, there is, of course, one of the journaling cards, and they're all the same. And it just slides right back in there. And then this is the first page, and so there are 3 tags because it has a 3-tier belly band and a pocket. So there's 3 different tags that are in this. And then here there's a little spot to journal that I put behind here, but there's a double pocket. And on the next page I have a belly band pocket. So there's another fabric tag. Let me get that string off. And here is the belly band. And I just have a tag holding it. And then on this side, this is a double pocket, and I just have this journaling spot in there that can be removed. And then the next page is a waterfall, and I have these brads holding this ribbon. Let me just pop them off really quickly. And then it'll open up. Alright, push the brads in. And then, hold on, I just like to fix them. Okay, so it opens up like this, and it is a waterfall. And so it just flips up like so. And then there's a place to journal. And so I have that just closed with 2 brads, and I'm going to put these back on here right now, otherwise I will forget. So what's today? Today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I hope everyone is doing good. I can't wait to see, I'm starting to watch videos, and I can't wait to get the journals and how inspired we all are by each other. And I actually made a TN insert yesterday. It's pretty cute. I'll share it soon. So over here I have that same ribbon, and it's a little bitty tuck spot here. That's just for decoration. And there's a pocket with a fabric tag. Again, there is, so every other one on most of them have it, like these 2 both have it. But again, there's that journaling spot. On this page it flips out, and then there's a pocket here with a journaling card. And then there is this Santa, and it has a tag behind it, but there's an amazing place to journal. Here are these adorable gingerbread. So there is 2 pockets where I just stuck in some little gingerbread here. And then over here, I got one of those gingerbread from the Dollar Tree, and Soda Mon added a bow to him and some pretty lace, and it says Santa's Workshop. It's beautiful paper in the back. And then here is a double pocket. So in this first is a journaling card that says recipe, and then there is a fabric tag back here. But if you remember, there's this little bitty spot where you could write something, and I thought that was cute. And then it says warm winter wishes. So here's a cup and a little spot to journal, and then there is a tug spot here, the little bitty card. And then on this page there is a side pocket, and it has this little bitty Christmas tag that I put underneath there that flips. You could put a picture and journal over here. There is also a card in here in that pocket. Here is a brad that can be removed because it's just on this linen, and underneath it is this beautiful deer. And then when you flip it up, you have these pages to write things on, and then there's a place to put picture, like, so you can put a picture here and write, and I thought that was adorable. So here, this is like a tug spot, and there is a fabric tag behind it, and then this spot you can write whatever, and then it says Dear Santa, and then look how cute he is. But it leaves this whole spot up here to journal, to put a picture or whatever. So this is one of the Dollar Tree little foam glitter things, and I sewed it on and made a pocket, and then sewed on a bow. And then this spot is basically, it has a brad holding it. It's a place to journal that is also a pocket, and then you could put a picture behind it, so it swivels around. And then there's this spot that is a tuck spot with these cute little people, and this one is the same, the journaling card in both of those. So then there is a double belly band here where it says Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. And there is also a fabric tag, a candy cane, and then I made this page, it's a circle punch, and sewed it all down to look like a candy cane. And then this page, I think, is one of my favorites. So what I did is it opens up, but I use little ribbon to make it open. And when you open it, it says, it has a place that says, Dear Santa, I have been very good this year. I would like, and then it says, thank you, your name. It has this beautiful paper, so plenty of spot to journal and put a picture. So then there's this place, and this is kind of like a scenery. So it has like these little tents and these deer, and then I use burlap to put the trees on. It's also a pocket. And then over here is behind the journaling card, it has that scenery again, and then there is a punch out up here, if you guys can see it. And I have this journaling card, which is holding both of these items. Alright, so here we have a pocket and a belly band. So there is just a piece of paper to journal. There is the fabric tag, and then there's a double pocket with a journaling card. I think I love this the most. So there's this page. So this has kind of like a belly band with a pocket, and super cute. And then on this side, it opens up, and when you open it up, it's got some pages to journal, and look how adorable he is. So that is just has a ribbon closure, super simple. And I've noticed to keep the bulk down when you're tying these, don't tie it too tight because the knot will cause a lot of bulk. So just something I have learned. So then there's this page, and this page says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and when you flip it up, it's just empty. So you could put a picture. And then over here there is Santa, and it says Star of Wonderful. He's a Star of Wonderful. And then it's a tag tuck spot, and then there's a fabric tag behind. And then this place, look how cute this is a tuck spot with a fabric tag. And then over here there's a side pocket, and I just did like a Christmas tree with some stickers and a journaling card I made. And that just goes right in. Okay, let's get it to go. I'm trying not to get it in there crooked. Alright, so this next spot is really cute. So there's a side pocket here, and then here this opens up to do this, and when you open up the other side, hold on, I'm trying not to bend it too much. When you open up the other side, there is this amazing little belly band pocket, and so that has some of the paper, and then you just tuck it back just like this, and then this tucks in there as well. Okay, so then last but not least is this page, and this is just fabric on both sides, and it says handmade by JanscrazyLife, and I probably do have my pen beside me, because when I was looking at it last time I thought about, and I'm going to put 2018, and then in here is a journaling card, but there's also a fabric tag, and in here I have countdown to Christmas. So when you open it up, there is 1 all the way till 25, so they can add it to their journal. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I can't wait to see all the amazing things you guys have created. If you want to, don't forget to subscribe, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.